So Greenpower Challenge is a project that we started several years ago now, and we're now working with 7 different schools, and the young people will build a kit car, which is a battery powered car, so very, very green, very much about saving energy, so pupils are learning about that whilst they do the project. This year is the biggest year yet, so we're now working with our 7th school, which is Hyde High School. This is their first year on the project. And then today, the culmination of this week is race day, and you can hear them in the background, I imagine, so they're just going past us now. And they'll complete a high number of laps around Curzon Ashton cycle track. And the winner is not about speed, it's about strategy. So all the cars move at the same speed, so you can't really overtake somebody, but if you crash out then, or you need to change your battery earlier because you've put too much pressure on the car, then that will take you back in the pack. And this year what we've done is we've widened the support that comes from the staff teams at college. So historically we've always used the automotive team because it's a mechanical STEM challenge, but actually this year we've had support from the construction team and from the engineering team as well. So it's very much a mixture of all of those skills that they'll develop, and hopefully it might inspire them to think about automotive or engineering or construction as a future career path.
Yeah, I'm Peter Napper. I'm one of the motor vehicle lecturers at Tameside College, and we've been doing this sort of like Greenpower Challenge now for about 10 years. Started it with 2 or 3 cars, originally went to Aintree, and now we've started to do it a bit closer to home. Save a lot of travelling time, and obviously get more local schools involved, which is what they like doing.
So how many years have you been doing this?
Probably about 10. I think we did actually maybe even 11, but the first year we did it, we hosted it, we sort of supported mantra learning, and then we decided we could do the system better ourselves, and we started to sort of grow it at college as a bit of more of a private sort of function.
And motor vehicles recently had a big refurbishment at the site in Beaufort Road.
That's right, yeah, massive refurbishment. I think we spent about 7 million on the refurbishment. We've got, obviously we do sort of automotive and body repair, paint refinishing, and obviously we're covering all the areas. We do a lot of apprenticeship work as well, and I think even at the moment we're doing sort of like apprenticeship training and setting up and testing for that as well, so there's a lot going on at the moment.
And you work with any big manufacturers?
We do work with quite a few manufacturers. We get a lot of them coming in, sort of doing talks with plastic repair mat companies, massive paint sort of links with paint companies, PPG and people like that. I think we had Mercer sandpaper people coming in the other week, and they were doing demonstrations with the students, showing them how to work with the grades and what have you. So they were doing it really good to support us in their learning and get it across to the students as well.
Finally, what's the benefit of doing Greenpower Challenge?
The Greenpower is it's a bit like helping the students to transition from school to college. It's like when they move from the sort of junior school into senior school, they're frightened to death, they don't know what's going on, they're not sure. We bring them into college and a bit of a taster like this. They come in and all of a sudden they realise, we're all right, we're just people, they're happy, you know what I mean? And all of a sudden the fear's gone, they spread the word to the mates, and obviously that thing of like changing from senior school to further education is actually not as bad as it thinks, and they realise we're just teachers, we're just people, and all I've got to do is show them how to learn things and fix things and what have you.